abakugu kurwo minisitiri y'obwegese bagambire ngu sayansi ekarema abana bingi emyaka y'enyuma ahabwo kugira ngu bakabanu bagishomesa kubi
tugitandikire nkahi omu primary yitwa omusiniya tukati turandishomesa sayansi etariyo ahabwa kiningira ngo etariyo abingi okumuryaho mukandi muza kuhika sciences.
Some of you nkabashomesaho abamenkashomani
konka science tukagishoma kubi.
We all know the vision of the country 2040. We all know that everything now that is being done is taking the science way. So the lower secondary school curriculum, which is emphasizing science teaching and skilling and vocationalization of education, so it must start earlier than secondary schools.
Omukoro ogu gushyiraho n'omuhezi wa speaker wa parliament ya Uganda Honorable Thomas Tayebwa agizire ngu hati government amani mingi neza gateka omu kushomesa sayansi.
Entandikiro timbi. I remember when we were doing our studies here down there, some of the schools could use this waraji to do experiments. That's how the word science came. If you go deep, that's how our purified waraji is called science.
Tayebwa ashabira abashomesa batungire ebyoma ebyo okubitwara bakabikozesa kurungi.
Nakiteji kurwo mu government Uganda zo kwegesa abana bitu like science kandi murengo mwabikozesa uko garuke education is kuyamba amashomero agakurikira abo ko bwa hati twine zikumara hona so murengo mwasharingaje kandi mwabikaje.
I believe these things are going to be put in use. Lobbying for these items is not easy. And now that you are lucky that in the whole of the Western Uganda, you are the owner of this chance, please utilize it.
Abashomesa behanangirizibwe okushomesa abana bato sayansi ahabwo kuba emitwe yabo nekwata munonga. District ya Mitooma niyo yonka etungire ebyoma ebi omu Burengero Izoba. Gashoka Abraham Muganza.